Dear all, good morning. In this session and in the upcoming sessions, we are going to see how to use R programming in statistics. We all know statistics is majorly classified into two. One is descriptive statistics, another one is inference statistics. What is descriptive statistics? It's about summarizing and presenting data in a meaningful way. Whereas inference statistics is more concerned with making inferences and predictions or conclusions about a population about on a sample data. So this is the major classification of statistics. So we are going to see one by one. First, we are going to see descriptive statistics. In descriptive statistics, again we classified into measures of central tendency, measures of dispersion, about the structure of data, about the relationship between the data. So these are all the classifications on measures of central tendency. So as the first class, we are going to see how to find mean median mode using R programming. Normally, mathematical calculations can be done. Everyone know how to calculate mean median mode mathematically. We use some calculators if there is a small amount of data. Suppose if there is a large amount of data, how can we solve? So definitely we need some tool. So here we are going to use some R programming tool. For example, we see a problem. A hospital has 15 rooms and each room has 10 admitted patients. A puzzle for mental exercise was given to every patient in each room. You see here 15 rooms, each room has 10 admitted patients. So totally there are 150 patients. You imagine for 150 patients, is it possible to calculate the mean, median or mode or any measures of central tendency mathematically using calculator is difficult. So we are going to use some tool. So the time taken to complete the puzzle was recorded as follows and stored in a data vector as puzzle time. You see here there are 150 data are given. The data are nothing. The puzzle time taken by 150 patients. So now we are going to find the mean, median and mode. So since it's a large data, it is difficult to type all the data, so I am copying the data. So you can save the data in any name. So I am going to save the data in puzzle time. Normally if more than one data, one value, you have to store in a vector. It is denoted by C of the values. So if you want to see the value, so the values are stored in the name puzzle time. If you want to see the value, we can call this. So the 150 data are displayed. Suppose if we want to know how many data are there, you can give the command length of puzzle time 150. So next we are going to find mean. How will you find mean? Very simple command, mean of, we have stored the data in the name of puzzle time. So you see 15.76 is the mean of the given data. If you want to find the median, you can find. So the median is 60. You know, median means mid value. Next one, mode. But for mode, we don't have direct code like mode of puzzle time. So there is some other for coding called. So mode val. This is left hand side. Left hand side you can give any name, no problem. Mode val equal to table of puzzle time. So now you call that by the left hand side. You see, now actually what is happened here, the 150 values raw data, the 150 raw data puzzle times are displayed here in the form of discrete data. If you see the first row, what is the first row? The first row is nothing, it is the uh, number of puzzle times taken by patients. The first row is puzzle time, the second row is the patients. For example, if you take the 6 minutes taken by 5 patients, if you take the 29 minutes taken by 4 patients, so you can see minimum number of minimum time taken by 1 patient, that 1 minute, maximum time taken by 4 patients. So if you convert the raw data discrete data, you can come to some conclusion. So now our aim is to find the mode. You see, what is mode? Maximum occurrence, a maximum frequency. If you see the second row, which is maximum, 11 is the maximum. So 11 patients took 9 minutes of puzzle time to complete the mental exercise. So this is the mode. But if you want to see the mode value through programming, there is one more command, we can get the value. So names of mode val, because we have saved in the name of mode val, the square bracket we have to normally denote mode val equal to maximum of so we are going to extract the name from the mode val, the left hand side value. How? The square bracket we are going to extract mode value equal to maximum mode val. So you see, so corresponding to the 11, the mode value is, because 11 is the maximum frequency, corresponding to that the mode value is 9. So this is the way to find mean, median and mode through R programming. Thank you all. In the next class we see with the remaining measures of central tendency.